Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 324 Russell Road here in Westfield, Massachusetts.
Located close to Westfield State University, this fully renovated 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath garden unit condo sits just across the street from the Tekoa Country Club. Let's go check it out.
Looking for turnkey move-in ready? Then this is the one. With an updated kitchen which features new countertops, matching appliances, tiled backsplash, and separate formal dining room.
This property has 2 generously sized bedrooms with wood floors, updated 1.5 Jack and Jill style bathroom with ceramic flooring.
Perfectly styled living room with fresh paint, a slider which walks out to a nicely sized patio ideal for that morning cup of coffee.
Outside you'll find maintenance-free exterior, a fabulous location, and all you have to do is bring your furniture.
We hope you have enjoyed your personal tour of 324 Russell Road here in Westfield, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at the Wine Garden team, we believe who you choose to work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Hi, Kirk.
1 second.
Oh. Country Club and Golf. Country Club and Golf, sorry.
Check.
All right, now it's for real.
Oh, I can't even talk right now. Tekoa Country Club. I keep wanting to say golf. Hold on, I'll start over again.
Boom. Cut. Print.
You are watching a master at work.